Who are we? We are Serene. Coming to you from beautiful Botanical Gardens in Saint Lucia.
The Diamond Waterfall.
Diamond Waterfall. It's hot as poop brown too. Can you tell by the sweat on my face? Yeah. So we'll see you on the flip side. Have a good one.